Hi, Cynthia and Brianna and all. Try this. I don't know if you've tried it or not. And yes, you're right. Sam's way. It kind of reminds me of growing up. Father was a good man, but it was his way or the highway. So go to mailings. Right here where it says insert merge field. And then what do we have? I broke some glasses. So what do we have? Title. Then what? First name. Last name. And then shift enter. We have company name. Shift enter. Address line 1. And we have, whoops. Let me see. Then we have insert city, comma, space, state, space, zip code, and then what does it say? Then tap enter at the end of the last line. Okay. Insert a greeting line merge field using the Dear Mr. Randall. Whoops. One over. See. Dear Mr. Randall. So let's try that with no ending punctuation. And then tap enter. Okay. Key the next 3 body paragraphs, so inserting a company at the beginning of the second body paragraph as shown in blue. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to type a community health fair will be held, blah, 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 blah. And then whatever it is, then you're going to go down here, as shown in blue. Then you're going to go to company name, right here, type company name, has been, make sure that you type, blah, blah, blah. Oops. Now it's not going to let me go back. Okay. So you're going to type all of that paragraph 1, company name. And I said you were having 3 and 5. Okay. Give this a try and let me know if it works. I'm also going to attach a PDF how-to merge field, mail merging, to see if that helps you guys. Okay? Let me know if this was helpful or not, or if you need more help.